Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Bluetooth, adaptive cruise control, trip computer, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.